Hello students, today we are going to learn classic image problem. In last lecture, we saw that Poisson's equation has unique solution for given charge distribution and boundary condition. Now, let us see for any enclosed surface, if a charge is outside, then volume is also outside, and if charge is inside, then the corresponding volume is also inside. So in this figure, your charge Q is outside, so this is your corresponding volume, and your potential is at the boundary surface. Here, if you have a charge inside the enclosed surface, then this is the volume inside. Here also the potential is at boundary surface. So potential is specified at boundary. So our potential is specified at the boundary. Now somehow I can think of solution that satisfies boundary condition and the solution is unique. Now let us check one example. Let us start with one example. Consider metallic plane. So we have to consider metallic plane, and this metallic plane is grounded. So this is what your metallic plane. Here the metallic plane is grounded. There is a charge in front of a grounded metallic plane, and for grounded metallic plane potential is 0. So potential V is equal to 0 for grounded metallic plane, and there is a charge Q at a distance of Z0 from your grounded metallic plane. So I have a plane which has been grounded, that is V equal to 0. What is the potential throughout? Now you have to find out what is the potential all over the boundary, and for that we have to find the potential. So we have to find the potential V of x, y, z. To find potential for given boundary and at all other place, that is at infinity point, the potential is 0. Now let us determine the potential at V of x, y, z. So potential at V of x, y, z. Here this is what your plane boundary surface. This is your boundary, and you have a charge. This is z axis. You have a charge on the axis, and this is the volume above. So volume above the boundary surface. This is your plane where z equal to 0. Now we have to find potential V of x, y, z. So inside this volume Poisson's equation is. So Poisson's equation is del square V is equal to minus rho by epsilon naught, which can be written as del square V minus Q del r vector minus z naught r cap by epsilon naught. The potential V is equal to 0, at z equal to 0. And now I want to find potential V of xyz at other point. So here, according to the above diagram, the potential V is depends upon x and y coordinate. So V of xyz is equal to x square plus y square. Now we can find solution using method of image. So you have to find solution using method of image. Then again I'll draw one diagram here. So you have a boundary. This is what your boundary surface. At this, potential V is equal to 0. You have a charge Q at a distance of Z0 from this boundary, and the charge minus Q on the other side. The distance is Z0 on the opposite side of Q, that is behind this boundary. If I think of charge exactly at the same distance, then Q gives potential at boundary, and that potential is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by root of x square plus y square plus z minus z naught whole square at z equal to 0. And for minus Q, it also gives potential. So the potential due to minus Q is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q in bracket divided by root of x square plus y square plus z naught whole square at z equal to 0. Now we have different potential at different point, but at z equal to 0, potential V is equal to 0, that is two charges plus Q and minus Q gives me boundary condition, which is your required condition. So at z equal to 0, V is equal to 0. This is what your required condition. Now at r tending to 0, so at infinite distance r tends to 0, both charges gives potential V equal to 0. A boundary condition is satisfied. Now here our condition is satisfied. If I look the upper region, then we will exclude our charge. So look at the upper region, exclude the charge. So the equation del square V is minus Q delta epsilon 0. Here this is what? This is called appropriate delta function. This is called appropriate delta function. So in the upper region, again in this diagram, this is what the upper region. You have plus Q charge. This is minus Q charge. Potential V of xyz is V of Q. So in the upper region, the potential due to plus Q charge is V of Q. So the total potential V of xyz is V plus Q plus V of minus Q. So this is due to plus Q charge and this is due to minus Q charge. But in upper region, we know that del square V equal to 0. Therefore, del square V is equal to del square V cube, same as Poisson's equation. This is similar to Poisson's equation. The correct boundary condition. This is the correct boundary condition. So here in our diagram, plus Q, this is what your potential, minus Q. So potential at this region, the potential at this region is V of Q. Therefore, for a charge V is equal to VQ plus V of minus Q, and this is the solution. This is what your solution. Now we can write the potential V x y z. We can combine V of Q plus V of minus Q. So equation Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught in bracket. Now in this bracket you have to write down the previous equation, that is root of x square plus y square plus z square. So for that we will write the equation as Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is outside the bracket, and you have to write root of x square plus y square plus z minus z naught whole square minus 1 upon root of x square plus y square z plus z naught whole square, and this is the potential. If you know the potential, you can find electric field. So let us find the electric field. So for a charge on metal surface, so for a charge on a metal surface, V of x y z, similar equation will write Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, the same equation as above will write, only we are going to replace this x square plus y square with coordinate s. So in place of x square plus y square, I am going to write 1 upon root of s square plus z minus z naught whole square minus 1 upon root of s square z plus z naught whole square. Here we are selecting cylindrical coordinate. So this is coordinate, cylindrical coordinate. And now to find out electric field, as you know potential, to find electric field. So electric field E of x, y, z. This is only for z. This is what I am finding for z component. This is for z component. So minus dV by dz. And you know the equation for potential. So you have to find derivative. So Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught here. So we'll find derivative. This is minus 1 by 2 into 2 z minus z naught divided by root of s square plus z minus z square, z minus z naught whole raised to 3 by 2. Therefore, E of z Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught in bracket is z minus z naught divided by s square plus z minus z naught whole square raised to 3 by 2 minus z plus z naught divided by s square plus z naught square raised to 3 by 2. So this way you can determine electric field for Z component. This is all about your classic image problem or method image problem. Thank you.